So when it comes down to getting a secure card, if you want to get a secure card, always try to see if you can get the Navy Federal or try to see if you can get the Capital One credit card first, because these ones, the Navy Federal, Capital One, and Discover, Capital One last, put that last. Try to see if you can get those first, because if you guys get those first, those are the ones that's most likely to graduate. Do not try to get any other secure credit card until you try those first. So I do suggest that you get those. Try to see if you can pre-qualify for a regular credit card with them. If you cannot, get those secure credit cards first. If for some reason you can't get those, go ahead and get a kickoff account, get the self account, get the credit builder account. Try to get those next. The first progress if you need to. The first premier, try to get those next. The first progress, try to get those next. But try first for Discover, Navy Federal, and then Capital One. Now, it's going to be different because this question right here, I answered this when it came down to building your credit when you don't have the best of credit. So try to see if you can get those secure first. If for some reason you don't have that of a score, and you can possibly get a regular credit card, try to get that too. Like, try to get the regular ones first, but just try to pre-qualify. If they say no, then you already know what it is. If your credit score is just that bad you can't get any other credit card, try to get like the Open Sky credit card, and then that would be